Class, how are you all? I hope you all are well and staying at home, right? So, in this chapter, Amazing Animal, we all have learnt about the topic habitat of animal, adaptation and body covering of animal. Today's topic is what? We are going to learn today the feeding habit of animal, right? So, how you can play and you can do work with the help of energy, and from where you are getting this energy, tell me. In the previous classes I have also told you. Yes, right, we are getting energy from food. The food that you are having, you are getting energy from the food to work and play, right? So as the same way, the animals need also energy, and they are also having food to get energy, right? So the animals, they depend for the food on the plant and on the flesh of other animal, right? So on the basis of their eating habit, we are dividing the animal in three types. What are the three types? One is a herbivores. Right? So, what are the herbivores animal? Right? What are the herbivores animal? Herbivores animal, those animals, they depend for their food on the plant. Right? So, why they depend on the plant? Due to their teeth, right? They have a feature to cut the plant, means they have a front teeth, incisors teeth. They can cut the plant, and at the back they have molar teeth. They can grind the plant. Let us see. See here. What is this? You know? What is this? It is what? That is a pestle. And what it is called? Mortar. And what we are doing with the help of this, maybe everyone have seen it is in your home. At your home you all have seen this. So both are, see, it is a flat. See here, mortar and pestle both are flat. And see what we are doing this, we can grind the thing with the help of this. See here. See what? Now it is grinded. See here, right? Then so now what you have observed, it is grinded. As the same way, the animals have also the flat back teeth that they can use. They can use it to grind the food, right? So due to their teeth, so according to their structure of teeth, right, they are having the plant to they are cutting the plant by the incisor teeth, the front teeth, right, and they are grinding the plant by the help of flat back teeth called molar teeth, right? So they are called the herbivores animal. Those are having plant, right? So what are the animals? Cow. Yes, you know any other animal who eat plant? Yes, tell me. Very good. Yes, deer. One more. Yes, giraffe. Yes, class. One more animal. Very good. Yes, zebra. So many more animals are in the world. They are depending on the plant for their food, right? Then next one is a carnivore animal. What? Carnivore and carnivore animal. So who are carnivore animal? So class, the animal those are depend for their food on the flesh of other animal, right? They are depend for their food on the flesh of other animal. So which type of that structure they are having? By the help of this structure they can tear the flesh. Why they are tearing the flesh? Think about that. Why they are tearing the flesh? They are tearing the flesh because they have the mouth, they have the structure of teeth and they have body structure that type they can tear the flesh of animal. So class, previous in herbivorous animal I show you mortar and pestle, right? So with the help of mortar and pestle we can grind the food, right? So this packet, how you can tear it? You can use it to tear the packet. You can use the mortar and pestle. You can use it. You can tear it with the help of mortar and pestle. No, you cannot tear it with the help of mortar and pestle because there is no need to grind it. How you can open it? By the tearing. So how you can tear? Right? You are tearing it, this packet like this, right? Same way, what structure they have? The carnivores, they have the canines, sharp canines that help them to tear the flesh of other animal, right? उनके पास ऐसे बहुत ही sharp नुकीले दांत होते हैं, canines. They are called the canines. So with the help of sharp canines, they can tear the flesh of other animal. They have also the strong, sharp paw, right? So with the help of they can hold the animal. With the help of sharp paw, they can hold the animal strongly, and with the help of their canines, they can tear the flesh of other animal, right? So these the animal, those are present. Those are depend for their food on the flesh of other animal are called the carnivore, right? So carnivore animal, tell me the name of carnivore animal. Yes, you know. Very good class. Tell me the animal name. Who eat the other flesh of animal? Class, who eat the flesh of other animal? Yes, lion. Very good. One more. Give answer. One more animal name. Yes. Tiger. Right. So many of the animals are here. They can tear the flesh of other animals. Right. Then third one is the omnivores. Who are called the omnivores? So, who are omnivores? So, some animals are depend for their food on the plant as well as on the flesh of other animals, right? So, the animal those eat both plant and animal are called omnivores animal, right? So omnivores, they can eat, they can have both the plant and flesh of other animals. So they are called the omnivores. So what they are having? Think about that. How they can eat both the things? What is which type of structure they are having? in their teeth. They can have both the things, flesh of other animal and the plant. Yes, very good. Yes, they have the flat back teeth. They can grind the things, and they have also the sharp canines in the front, right? So they can eat both the things, plant and flesh of other animals. See here, we also have the sharp canines at the front, right, or back, flat back teeth. So the human being, they are omnivores. We are what? You have seen when I was tearing the packet like this. So what happened? I have teared the packet now. So that is what? That is a feature of that was the feature of carnivores. But we can also tear the things with the help of canines, and also we have flat back molar teeth. We can grind the things easily. So human beings are also that is a good example of omnivores, and bear, crow, many other animal they can have they are the omnivores. They can have both the things, plant and animal, right? So what are the example of omnivores animal? Human being, right? Bear, crow. So these are the omnivores. Then scavengers. Who are scavengers? You know scavengers? Scavengers are animal. They are depend for their food on the dead animal, right? The organism, they are depend for their food on the body of dead animal, right? Dead remain of animal, and they are called the cleaner of environment. So who are those? They like vultures, hyena. They are depend for their food on the dead animal. When the animal dead by the other reason, by the predation of other animal, then they are having these dead animal. They are cutting them into smaller pieces, and they are having the animal, right? So that's why they are called the cleaner of environment. If they do not have the dead remain of animal, what would happen? It will start to rotten up, and they release very harmful gases, poisonous gases. So that is very harmful for the environment. So that's why they are called the cleaner of animal. Cleaner of environment. Who are called scavengers. So which animal are scavengers? Like vultures, they have a strong beak, strong sharp beak, sharp pointed beak. They can tear, they can cut the flesh of dead animal, right? So vultures, scavengers. Who are called rodents. So the squirrel, have you seen a squirrel? They have rat. Squirrel they have constantly long growing incisors, right? They don't have canines. So with the help of they are what doing? Gnawing. What they are doing? Gnawing. They gnaw the seeds, right? They gnawing the food. What we are doing? We are chewing the food, right? So and what they are doing, rodents, they are gnawing the food, right? So what are called, they are called, these gnawing animals are called the rodents. Example is what? Squirrel and rat eating, right? So rodents are who? Gnawing animals, means they gnaw their food. What they are doing? They gnaw their food, right? We chew the food, we cut the food, we tear the food, and after that we are chewing the food, right? And these animals, the squirrel and rat, what they are doing? They gnaw the food. So they are called the gnawing animals. All the gnawing animals are called the rodents, right? So class, these it is the eating feeding habit of animal. How they are feeding, what they are feeding, it is depend on their structure of teeth and other parts, right? Like carnivores have the strong paw also. They can with the help of sharp paw, they can hold the flesh of other animals, and most of the animals, they are having the like herbivores have the incisors teeth, and at the back they have the molar teeth, flat back teeth. They can grind with the help of incisor, they can cut the plant, right? And the carnivores have, they have canines, sharp canines here, so they can tear the flesh of other animal. Then omnivores, they can have the both things, plant and animal, because they have both the teeth, which canines, sharp canines, incisors and molar teeth, right? They can grind also. And scavengers, who are like vultures, they can have the food, which type of food they can have? The dead remain part of animal. They did by the predation of other animal, right? So they are called the also environment cleaner. They are called the scavengers. Like vulture, they have a strong sharp beak. They can tear the flesh, they can cut the flesh of other animal, dead animal. Then rodent, who is, they can, so the rodents like a squirrel and rat, they are gnawing the food. They have long, constantly growing incisors. So with the help of incisors, they can cut the things, the seed, all the things, whatever they are having, right? So they are the gnawing animals. They gnaw their food. They gnaw their food are called the, आपने देखा होगा रैट को ऐसे बड़े बड़े, स्क्विरल की, इनकी सबकी क्या बड़े दांत होते हैं आगे, और वो बहुत ही शार्प वो भी होते हैं इंसीजर्स. So they are gnawing. So they are called the, they gnaw their food and they are called the gnawing animal. All are called the what? Rodents. We are called them rodents, right? Open your book and start reading. Feeding habits. We know that animals need food to get energy and stay healthy. They depend on plants and other animals for their food. Different animals have different feeding habit, as I told you, right? So some animals eat plants and some eat flesh of other animal, right? So on the basis of their feeding habit, we can divide them into three types. What are the three types? Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores, right? So who are herbivores, class? Tell me. Who are called the herbivores? Yes, the animal who eat plant, right? So animals that eat only plant are called herbivores, or herbivorous animal, right? Like cows, goats, giraffe and deer are some herbivorous animals. They have sharp front teeth, incisors, to cut the part of plant, and large flat back teeth, premolars and molars, to grind the food, right? They have sharp incisor, they can cut the food, they can cut the plant, right, part of plant, and flat back teeth, they can they can grind the food, right? So cow, deer and giraffe, they are the example of herbivores. Then animals that eat flesh of other animal are called carnivores or carnivorous animal. So class, who are carnivorous animal? Tell me. Yes. So carnivorous animal, they are depend for their food on the flesh of other animal, right? So lions, tigers and wolves are some carnivores. They have very sharp pointed canines to tear flesh, right? उनकी क्या होते हैं, दो एकदम sharp pointed canines होते हैं, तो they can tear the flesh and strong back teeth, premolar and molar to chew flesh and bones. उससे क्या करते हैं, they can chew the bones and flesh of other animal, right? So ये see here, the lion and wolf carnivorous animal and tiger is also, right? See here how they are tearing, right? Then some flesh eating birds like eagles, kites and vultures have sharp and hooked beaks. हुक्ड कैसा, ऐसे हुक टाइप का ऐसे होता है, ये सी है हुक्ड, ऐसे झुका हुआ. इससे क्या करते हैं, फ्लेश में वो बीक से फ्लेश में डाल के ऐसे फंसा देते हैं और उसके बाद दे कैन टीयर द फ्लेश ऑफ अदर एनिमल. सो दे ऑल्सो हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लॉज टू कैच देयर प्रे, राइट. देन थर्ड वन इज व्हाट, टेल मी, हु आर कॉल्ड द ओमनिवोर्स क्लास? Who are called the omnivorous animal? Yes. The animal, those are depend for their food on the plant and flesh of other animal, both, right? So animals that eat both plant and flesh of other animal are called omnivores or omnivorous animal, right? So human being, bears and crows are some omnivores. They are example of omnivorous animal. A human being, a bear and a crow, right? And I have also told you about the scavengers, who are the cleaner of environment, right? And rodents. So who are rodents? The small herbivores or rodents such as rabbit, rats and squirrel gnaw the seeds. क्या करते हैं, they are not chewing, they are gnawing the seed and fruits. So they have a small and sharp front teeth, incisors, right? They are called the rodents. So okay class, if you are having any query, any question, you can ask me, right? Complete your homework and send me regularly. Thank you class, have a nice day, bye.